Hey everybody, welcome back. I'll be starting off with these skewers from Dollar Tree and I'm just going to be painting them black. These diamond base filler are from Dollar Tree and I'll be using them to line the inside of these skewers. Guys, this is just an old candle that I've cleaned out. It's pretty large and if you guys are wondering, I purchased it from Aldi's. I'm also going to be using this orb from Dollar Tree and this glass bowl from Dollar Tree as well. I decided to add in this glittered out piece of floor foam that I had from a previous project. Guys, please don't do what I've done here and put the hot glue on the floor foam. Put it on the orb so it doesn't drip all over the place like mine did. I had such a hard time cleaning that up. Oh my goodness. Also, I wanted to point out, if you'd like your project to last a very long time, do use some sort of permanent glue like an E6000 or something like that so that it will last and won't fall apart on you. So here's what it looks like, guys. What do you think? For this next DIY, I'm going to be using this old yogurt container and I'm just going to paint the outside of it with some Mod Podge and then I'm going to go back in with some glitter. I'll also be using this old ornament that I already had. I'm going to use these old candle lids as well as this self-adhesive ribbon from Dollar Tree. These mirrors are from Dollar Tree. So here's what it looks like, guys. What do you think? Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye guys!